Alright, so next video, we do have the Changer RGB LED Reservoir and Pump Kits. Like I did with the last video, this one has also just been pre-opened for just the outer packaging, just so that it'll just make it a little bit easier. Let's go ahead and open this boy up. Now this is actually one of the ones that I've been really excited for, just to see how exactly this works, because they've got the pump with the RPM signal on there and the RGB. This one apparently you can program to have your own setting on there. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, on top we do have the Changer. I hope this isn't like the fan where, they need to put a warning label in there for any type of seizures that this may cause. Disclaimer, Enermax assumes no liability whatsoever for any and all damages caused by the use of this product. Assumes no liability occurring to your components as a result of using Enermax cooling products, either due to mistake or omission on our own. The serial number, label, or warranty seal is defaced, modified, or removed. That's the warranty, disassembly, or modification to any of the component or cable without Enermax's written authorization. The defects which occur owing or incorrect installation, damages to the pump, or by leakage are not covered under the warranty. Ignoring the connector's faulty insertion prevention designed by attaching a connector to the device using incorrect orientation. Damage caused by natural phenomena or uncontrollable forces such as lightning, flooding, fire, earthquake, or misuse, abuse, negligence, accident, wear and tear, mishandling, or misapplication. So pretty much anything and everything that could go wrong with this, as long as it is, if it's user fault, or if it's, if it's defected right out of the box, Enermax will not cover it. So when you're installing this, just make sure that that you install it correctly, and always test before you put it in, just to ensure that everything does work. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Now, I don't know if this is how every one of these is going to come, but ours does have a tiny, or some sleeving on it. It does have the SATA connector on there for the power and draw delivery, so that is great. Unfortunately, I don't have a SATA power connection over here right now. Actually, I might have. Go ahead and get this zip tie off. There we go. So this does use like the far black LED connector for that, so you do have an input and an output, so if you wanted to string another light in there, you could. Do I have one of these connectors right now? I do not believe so. Go ahead and get this power supply over here. In, and I just want to see if this will actually go ahead and control that. just need to make a quick power jumper. So remember, if you're always going to use a bare wire like this without any sort of connector on the end, just make sure you go ahead and don't use the pins that are right next to each other. Remember, it's always going to be the green and a black. Remember, just the only green one on there, and to any black ground will in fact just turn this sucker on. Go ahead and just plug this guy in here really quick just to see. Alright, that is on now.